Hi guys, welcome to today's class. So today I'll be introducing you to the study of life, which is biology. The word biology has its origin in the Greek language, bios, which means life, logos, which means knowledge. Together we say the science of life. Biology as a term was first introduced in Germany in the year 1800. This term was popularized by the French naturalist Jean-Baptiste de Lamarck as a means of encompassing the growing number of disciplines which are being developed and are committed to the study of living systems. Of all the fields of science, biology is the most demanding. You agree with me? You have seen biology texts. They are so large, they are so voluminous, filled with so much knowledge. And the truth is, as students of biology, you are meant to be knowledgeable in all this different information. That is, you should have thorough knowledge of as much information as you will be introduced to. Now, this is not surprising because living systems are complex. So in order for us to fully understand the functionality of the living systems, we need as much information as possible. Also, biology as a field of science is a multidisciplinary science. The science that has so many branches, so many fields, so many disciplines. And it's a field of science that requires knowledge of not only biology, you also be needing knowledge of chemistry, maths, and also physics. So this will work. But the good news is, as students of biology, as you go further in your training, in future you will be able to become a versatile scientist. A scientist that is well versed in knowledge of the different fields of science. Also, you will be exposed and you will be able to discover the application of the various disciplines in science. Is it well, guys? Sound exciting? Let's get started. I'll see you in the next video.